Type 8 of the Enneagram, the protector. Protectors believe you must be strong and powerful to assure protection, and it's a tough world we live in. Consequently, protectors seek justice and are direct, strong, and action-oriented. And they can also be overly impactful, excessive, and impulsive. What is the focus of attention of type 8, the protector? Injustice is to be controlled and kept in check. To get things moving in both work and play. The life lesson for type 8, the protector. To harness the life force in productive ways, integrating self-assertion with susceptibility. What does type 8 tell us about themselves? I thrive on having lots of energy in my body and enthusiasm for life. I'm strong and I protect the weak. I'm direct, willing to confront when the need arises, and I'll express my anger immediately. People see me as aggressive, intimidating, intense, and impulsive. I have trouble staying with my own weakness and sad feelings. As you relate to type 8, the protector, be direct and forthright, yet flexible and open. Stay steady and present in the face of confrontation and conflict. Do hold your ground with them. Call them out on destructive or threatening behavior. Be sympathetic to their underlying hurt feelings. Express your own feelings, including softer, tender ones. Join them in getting things moving, both in work and play. Now, type 8, the protector, what do they have to reflect on? Truth resides in opposites and differences. True mastery includes non-action and no blame. The mundane, the moderate, and the mild have their own virtues. Vulnerability is not the same as weakness. True power comes from appropriate application of force. What are type 8, the protectors, under different health levels? At healthy levels, protectors can be a champion of ideas for those who are oppressed. They're strong and confident leaders who can be the backbone and driving force for causes and communities. Their energy and commitment to improve upon society and themselves blossoms into new gardens. To close friends and family members, protectors are generous and intensely loving individuals who freely offer refuge and advice. When they learn to develop their caring side, gratitude and joy emerges from their core selves. With this newfound sense of tenderness, protectors become aware of others' needs and will freely drop the tough persona. Type 8, the protectors, under average health levels. The protectors are competitive and may view friendship or business relations as a battlefield, always looking for the next challenge to win. They're assertive and stubborn, but also self-confident and competent. During the downtime, they critically evaluate their actions and work towards self-improvement. They avoid showing weakness, which can be a roadblock for connection and intimacy. Doing so would demonstrate the weakness, which is absolutely unacceptable to them. As a result, they can be seen as highly ambitious yet intimidating by peers. Their confidence and stamina lifts them to new heights, with each failure serving them as a kick for more effort. Type 8, the protector, under unhealthy levels. The protectors can become tyrannical and intimidating, scaring others off at first glance. They become addicted to the pursuit of power and will destroy anything blocking their way with fury. The feelings and emotion of others become insignificant as they become blindfolded to the softer side of the human psyche. When the delusions of power get out of hand, the protectors become stone cold and can take an aggressive stand to anyone who dares to question them and their motives. They may use empty threats to regain power over others and turn existing relationships into tests where one can only pass or fail. Others may turn their back on the protector, who will reason that they were better off working alone. In the end, they may force themselves into loneliness. So, under ill health brings the worst in them becoming tyrannical and intimidating.
Subscribe our YouTube channel R4 Consulting, your consulting partner. Visit our website www.r4consultingindia.com.